Hey guys, what's up? I'm Arsh and I'm back with another video. And before listening to me, can you subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and click the bell icon below. So as you just saw that, I'm gonna be making this amazing Among Us live wallpaper. Yeah, and it's very trending on TikTok, so I thought about making it only for you guys and showing you how to make it, obviously. So yeah, it's a pretty good wallpaper, and it's live. So yeah, and I'm not sure if it works for Android, but I'm sure that it works for iOS. So obviously, yeah. So now let's just get into it right away. First, all you need to do is go to App Store and download this app called CapCut. And you're gonna type in CapCut, and this is gonna say photo and video. So you're gonna download the one that looks like scissors. The logo looks like scissors. So yeah, you're gonna download that one, and then you're gonna download video to live, obviously. Video to live, and you're gonna scroll down until you see these convert videos to live photos, and I've already downloaded it just like I downloaded CapCut. So yeah, you can convert this into a live wallpaper. So yeah, so you're gonna download that. Now you need to go to Safari, and then you need to search up Among Us character red PNG, because we're gonna be using red for this video, and because red is my favorite color, so we're gonna be using red. So yeah, this is the character, and you're gonna download this. Obviously, you're gonna click on it, and it's gonna say add a photo. So obviously, yeah, you're gonna download it like that, and then you're gonna search up Among Us. You're gonna search up Among Us space background. But remember, guys, to search up 4K. So I'm gonna search it up. So I have this down. I already have this download, but I'm gonna download this just in case. So I'm gonna download add to photos. So yeah, it's downloaded. And then, yeah, so you're going to download those two things. And then you're going to go to CapCut, our wonderful app. You're going to go to CapCut. Then you're going to go to create new project. You're going to go to photos. And the first thing that pops is going to be this one. So I'm going to add this. And then you're going to stretch this out to 5.5 in CapCut. Just like that. It's going to be stretched out just like that. So you do nothing with it, so it's going to be like that. Then you're going to go to overlay. You're going to add an overlay, and it's going to be our PNG character. This is going to be a PNG character, and yeah, this is our PNG character, and you need to stretch this one out as well too, 5.5, just like that. You're going to reduce the size because it's way too big, obviously, and if you want, we can reduce it more. I'm going to reduce it this much. So we're gonna keep this here, cause just like that. And now, guys, for the first thing, all you gotta do now is just go back to here, to the starting point of the character, and then press the diamond plus thingy on the under the background. You see the diamond plus thingy over there. You're gonna press that, and then it's gonna put a diamond there. And then you're gonna press this one as well. It's gonna put a diamond there as well. Now to get our beautiful animation, you're gonna make it. You don't need to click on it or anything. You just leave it there, but you need to select it. You need to leave it selected there. So yeah, and then we're gonna move our character on the straight line slowly, just like that. And it doesn't matter if it stops, because it's gonna be like that. And if it doesn't come, guys, you can try it again. Probably I'm gonna try this a few times on my video as well. You're gonna make mistakes, so it's gonna be. It gives you a kind of an Among Us rotation. So yeah. So I hope. So this is actually, I've done this pretty good this time because it's done. Well, this animation is done. There's something missing here. The text, obviously. The text. So you're gonna add the text. Add text, and there you're gonna say, for a change, I'm gonna say this is A or Jax is phone. Just like that, everyone. So it's gonna be like that, and boom, we need to align this. So it's already aligned in the middle, and you can also change the style. I'm gonna choose system, and we're gonna go to animation. Then you're gonna search up for like an Among Us the typing thingy. I don't know how to say that. It doesn't really pop up in mine, but you need to choose wipe right, because it's gonna be like that. So we're gonna change our speed to 3.0. 3.0 is going to be our settings. So it's gonna be 3.0. Let's see. This is AirJex's phone. It's not aligned right now. We need to really align this carefully. So when it's here, I'm gonna say it's gonna be like that. So let's see. AirJex's phone. No, it's too early. It's too late actually. So I'm gonna put this here, and now let's see. Play it. I'm actually thinking to like more this little bit more and see. Way too close. Tiny. Yes, just like that. Tiny. Let's see now. It should work. Stretch it out to the end. Yeah. It needs to be stretched out more. Let's see now. So it literally doesn't disappear. So we're gonna stretch this out a little bit more. You can align this the way you want, but you need to stretch them out. Stretch this out here. So yeah, so our animation is done. Then you're gonna click on the arrow, the up arrow. You're gonna click there, and then you're gonna export this file. It's gonna be 11. It's gonna take up 11 megabytes, which is not that much. You're gonna export this. It doesn't take that much time to export. So yeah, we're gonna go to done now. We're gonna click on done, and boom, it's done. Now we're gonna open our second app, which is Video to Live. Yeah, Video to Live. And then we're gonna go to our we're gonna click on the video we just downloaded, so we just made. So yeah, and saved. So yeah, we're gonna click on the first one over, which pops up, and let's just see, just in case if we clicked on the wrong one. So yeah, it can be like that. And so this is perfect, guys, and I'm gonna convert this. So it's gonna say converting. So now, guys, when you've converted this, it's gonna say complete, and then you're gonna click on OK, and boom, it's done. And then obviously you're gonna go to settings. After that, you're gonna go to wallpaper. You're gonna scroll down to wallpaper, and then you're gonna go to choose a new wallpaper. You're gonna go to recents, and then you're gonna go to the bottom, and it's the first one, like the first one. So we're gonna click on this one, and then we're gonna press on the screen to see it animated. This is AirJex's phone, just like that. Cause let's see, can we like perspective zoom it off? See if it works like that. Oh, it's not live, so now let's just see it. This is AirJex's phone. I actually like to keep it zoomed up. Well, not really, but like it's your choice. So yeah, you can do it that way. You can go to set and set lock screen, and then it's setting wallpaper. So yeah, and now let's just check it out. So now, guys, let's just check it out. So we're gonna press on the screen and see this, if it says this is AirJex's phone. So it does say it, and boom, our video is finished for this time. And don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell icon, and till next time, guys, bye.